CryptoPunk's NFT collection has set a new sales record after CryptoPunk 5822 was sold for over $23 million on Saturday. Coinbase's $13 million Super Bowl advert was more successful than the exchange had prepared for. Shortly after the advert aired on Sunday afternoon, many people tried to claim the $15 promotional offer at once, necessitating a short-term traffic halt on the website. The U.S. Department of Justice has recovered over 94,000 bitcoins stolen in the Bitfinex hack of 2016. We bring you all this and more on this edition of This Week in Crypto. Welcome to Savvy Finance. In this video, we examine all the top news in the cryptocurrency and digital assets space during the past week. Ensure you watch the video to the end and click the like button. Enjoy. After recording a multi-week high on Thursday, February 10, 2022, Bitcoin is once again in the $42,000 region as rising Russia-Ukraine tension permeates the space. Bitcoin is not the only asset that is down. Major stock markets worldwide are also showing signs of trouble as the U.S.-Russia standoff over Ukraine reached its tensest week. Russian President Vladimir Putin has refused to pull back the 130,000 Russian troops massed near Ukraine. Visits and phone calls from other world leaders, including the United States President Joe Biden, have proved abortive, and there are reports that Russia will launch an attack soon. Since news of the impending attack broke at the start of the weekend, Bitcoin has had a steady decline, with more price declines expected during the week. The NFT space went agog on Saturday when news broke that a CryptoPunk non-fungible token was sold for 8,000 ETH, which at the time of the sales was over $23 million. CryptoPunk 5822 is one of the 10,000 non-fungible tokens in one of the oldest NFT collections available. It is also one of the 9 aliens in the algorithmically generated tokenized and pixelated artwork collection. According to reports, the buyer is Deepak Thapliyal, chief government officer of Chain, who stated that he leveraged his compound finance account to purchase the expensive digital asset. Coinbase's Bitcoin advert during Sunday's Super Bowl LVI was much more successful than the exchange had planned to handle, according to reports. The simple and creative advert featured a single QR code directing people to the exchange's promotional website to claim a time-sensitive offer of $15 worth of Bitcoin. The $13 million advert featured a 60-minute time offer that crashed the website and caused a short-term traffic halt as the engineers battled to restore order. That was certainly some well-spent millions. In what has been hailed as the department's largest financial asset seizure, the U.S. Department of Justice seized 94,636 Bitcoin from a tech startup couple last week. According to the DOJ, the couple has been arrested and arraigned before a federal court on charges of money laundering and conspiracy to defraud the U.S. government. Ilya Lichtenstein and his wife, Heather Morgan, could face up to 25 years of imprisonment for attempting to launder around $3.6 billion worth of Bitcoin. The recovered coins were a part of those stolen during the Bitfinex hack of 2016, and executives of the Hong Kong-based company say they are working on returning the assets to their rightful owners. According to reports, Netflix has ordered a documentary series about Lichtenstein and Morgan, who had laundered almost 30,000 BTC before their arrest. While the couple awaits their fate, 7 masterminds of South Korea's largest crypto fraud scheme now know their fate. The 7 were involved in a crypto fraud scheme that involved 52,419 investors, one of which has reportedly committed suicide due to the loss. Ol Byung-gul, the CEO of the now-defunct V Global, and his accomplices scammed investors of almost $1.9 billion before the authorities discovered their scheme. The CEO has been sentenced to 22 years in prison, while the others will be incarcerated for 4 to 14 years. In Kazakhstan and Russia, authorities are continuing a crackdown on illegal crypto miners using cheap electricity. According to news reports, Russian students mining crypto in dorms could face time in prison. President Tokayev of Kazakhstan has also ordered authorities to comprehensively regulate the crypto mining sector. The president's orders come just a couple of weeks after the country experienced widespread blackouts that caused it to suspend crypto mining activities for a brief period. Hungary's central bank governor has called for an EU-wide ban on cryptocurrency trading and mining. The head of the Hungarian National Bank said that cryptocurrencies could service illegal activities and tend to build up financial pyramids. Meanwhile, Spain has modified Tax Model 720, which stipulates the regulations concerning the declaration of cryptocurrency and other asset holdings abroad. According to reports, the amendment will reduce most of the harsh penalties stipulated in the tax model. McDonald's has filed for 10 trademarks applications that describe plans to offer virtual restaurants and other virtual products. The American fast food chain will join other giant corporations like Walmart to offer virtual products and services as the world prepares to transition to the next phase of the internet. The applications, which were filed on February 4, show plans to offer both actual and virtual food and beverages for customers who visit the fast food chain in the metaverse. McDonald's will also offer entertainment and downloadable materials, including artwork, text, non-fungible tokens, and audio and video files. That is all we have for you on this week's episode. Be sure to click the like button and share with others so we can keep the segment going. Also, the fun never stops here. Throughout the week, we will bring you regular updates on all the important developments in crypto and other digital assets. So subscribe and turn on post notifications so you never miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching.